Welcome to Junior Center School, Class-8, Chapter 2, our environment. In this lesson, we are going to discuss Earth. Earth is a unique planet. Earth is a unique planet. Why we can call it as Earth is a unique planet? Because Earth is the unique planet in the solar system and it is the only planet support the life. Why we can call it as the Earth as a unique planet means Earth is the unique planet in the solar system and it is the only planet support the life. It is the only planet support the life. Life means all the plant and animals, all the living creature. It is only support for the all the living creature. And Earth forms about 4.6 billion years ago. The Earth forms about 4.6 billion years ago and first life appeared 3.8 billion years ago. The Earth forms 4.6 billion years ago. Earth yavag form aitu 4.6 billion years ago aitu. Then in the Earth, the 3 billion years ago, the life appears. The Earth, the life appears in the Earth 3.8 billion years ago. The Earth has all the favorable condition for the survival of the life. The Earth has all the favorable condition for the survival of the life. The surface of the Earth is covered by the water. This part is called as hydrosphere. The surface of the Earth is covered by the water. This part is called as hydrosphere. Hydro means water. Hydro means water. The surface of the Earth covered by the water, that is called as hydrosphere, and hydro means water. It is the only planet in the solar system with abundant liquid water, and this is one of the factors responsible for making in the life possible on the Earth. This is the only planet. Earth is the only planet in the solar system with contain abundance of water. The Earth is the only planet which contain abundant means lot of water that help for the survival of the life. That is help for the survival possible on the Earth. Life possible on the Earth. And water has some unique physical and chemical properties which supports the life. Water has some unique physical and chemical property which supports the life. There are three stages that you know: solid states in the form of ice, liquid states in the form of water, and gaseous states in the form of water vapor. These are the three states of the water. Water helps for balancing the atmospheric temperature. The water helps for balancing the atmospheric temperature. The water helps for the balancing of the atmospheric temperature. Ocean, rivers, streams like lakes, reservoirs, tanks, ponds, pools, ice caps, a lot of water exists in the form of water vapor. The hydrosphere contains oceans. Hydrosphere contains ocean, rivers, streams, lakes, tanks, ponds, pools, ice caps, and a lot of water vapor. Water exists in the form of water vapor. The water is two forms: freshwater form and marine water. That means salt water. Salt water we can call it as marine water. The marine water, which is salt water, is present in all the oceans and seas. Fresh water is present in the lakes, rivers, ponds. The fresh water is present in lakes, rivers, and ponds. The fresh water is used for drinking and cooking, drinking, and all household purpose. Water is a universal solvent. Why we call it as water is a universal solvent? Because the water is a universal solvent. It allows the substance to dissolve in it. Why we can call it as the water is a universal solvent? Because it allows all the substance dissolved in it. That's why we can call it as the water is a universal solvent. Water is a universal solvent ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ.